Hi guys, hope you're all well. I'm just sharing a bit of excitement with you really today. I've treated myself to a new pasta machine and I've got the very lovely Mona Kissel to adapt it for me. And for those of you that are in the States, won't have any issues with anything, but of course, being in the UK, I'm just taking things out of the box, guys. Being in the UK, we've got the extra postage costs and the such on top, so it is quite a treat. And it's been packed extremely well, and I've even got a bit of US magazines I can have a read through. I'm going to look through them later. So yes, let's pop that box down. I decided, because I've been doing workshops and the such, guys, and you all know that I've not got the best hands in the world, so stripping down the pasta machine to give it a super clean is really hard work for me. So it is a treat. I appreciate that, guys, but I just wanted a spare machine for workshops, so I thought the bit of extra expense wouldn't be too bad to get Mona to do the things she does with the blades. And I'm sorry guys, I'm just trying to get this other box out. I think this has just got my clamp in and everything. Let me just check. Yeah, it's just got my clamp and my handle in. So this is the 180 Mercato. Yeah, it's Mercato, isn't it? It's the Atlas 180. So it's the wider rollers, and here's the machine. As you can see, a bit dusty, and what the cool thing is these, my blades underneath, let me turn it that way then it's easier, will now pop off very easily. You just unscrew this, little gubbins here, and then you can pop your blades out. Can you see inside? Yep. Pop your blades out, give everything a nice clean, and then you can just pop that blade back like so. I'm trying to do it through the viewfinder, guys, that's why I'm struggling. And then you pop that back in, clip that back on, and tighten up your little nut, and off you go. So I know some of you can strip your machines down really easily. I struggle, so it is a treat for me. But there we go. I just thought I would show you. I did contemplate getting an Edge Street one, because he sprays the machine up, doesn't he, and puts a different base on the bottom. But what I was most interested in was the blades, and of course he sends them to Mona to get the blades done. So I just went direct to Mona and did it that way. But there we are, guys, just a quick video to show you. Both your blades pop off, and then I can give the machine a real good clean, which is going to come in handy at workshops and stuff if we're changing clay and the such. The ladies can use this machine with the mortar, and I've got my other little machine, my just 150 machine, normal one, on standby if anybody needs it. But there we go. I just thought I would show you this, guys. I'll leave a link to Mona's web page. She's really approachable. I just messaged her because I was having a struggle with UK PayPal. It wouldn't go through, so she just invoiced me and I paid for it that way. And I think you know, this is obviously, they're really good pasta machines anyway, aren't they, the Mercato ones? And of course she takes the guides off as well. So I've just got a new machine. Whoop! Right, thanks guys. I just thought I'd share that with you in case any of you weren't aware that this was available. And I'll see you in the next video where I may be using my shiny new machine. See you later guys. Bye.